Don't let him in there.
Run in there, I'm going. Alright. Come on, little boy. Move it.
It's the wrong fucking way!
Let him go back in that room, though. The room that black that topic thing.
Shut the door.
Little bastard.
Shut the door, Nathan, and I'll...
Shut the door.
Oh, there we go. Get there, you mother.
Shit.
I'll let me out and then shut the door. No,
Look, he's trying to shit on you, Ren. Look.
shut the door so it doesn't...
Let's get out and shut the door.
I'm worried.
Because my entire phone's gonna be full of this video.
Oh my god.
What if I put the sheet on the end of this?
And then
And then do what?
Try to put it over his head.
Keep the bird.
No.
I think you'll get away first.
I think the bird needs some fiber one.
Oh my god. All down there. I did.
Alright, if I tap him
For the
again,
love of
you
God.
think there's any, if someone could be there,
Oh
could be there to, you know what I mean?
Abs?
Use the broom to, like,
But
play
they
hockey
were not
with
blocking up here. Hold on.
How do we block up
I'm
there?
afraid if he goes back in that room. That room.
Is that wood right there? Oh, for God's sake, it's a 2x4.
It's not a 2x4.
It's not? Okay.
What about if we put him in this room?
No,
Because they're easier
This
to
is-
get him. No?
This gonna do a lot of work right here.
Yep.
Yeah, that'll do.
Maybe close this guy.
Yeah, it closes.
Go in the bathroom.
No, because he won't go in there. He'll go away from her.
Yeah, I mean, like,
Because he's gonna fly out and then come over here because
Again.
he's not gonna be smart.
They're not going to see that can.
Dip down low.
Will that open?
Yeah, what about this?
Oh,
Those?
shit.
He's not going to squeeze
Is there- can you
himself
put, like, a
out.
screen on that? I don't think he'd squeeze
He won't squeeze out.
There's not a screen.
Do you think if we just went downstairs and left him alone and left these two doors shut, that maybe he would in time calm down and
And go into the
yeah,
bathroom
and just